video, then you picked up your kid at the library. Today I'm going to do things a little different, so just give me 1 minute to do it our way, and then you'll be able to do it whatever you want. Okay, so you have your greens, your leather leaf, your mums, your oasis, and 2 little spiders. So basically this time what I want to do is a one-sided arrangement. So I'm going to take a piece of leather leaf, and I know this is going to turn on you, so I'm going to turn it this way and put it in the back like that, straight up. Then I'm going to take my other pieces and go around the bottom. Once I turn it around, you'll be able to see what I did. Basically making a triangle out of the greens. So now I'll turn it around so you could see it, and it's a one-sided arrangement there. You could decorate your cup, you can draw a pumpkin face on it, do anything you want with it. I'm just going to back the back a little bit, just so I used up all my greens. So now, when we used to do it, we used to do 5 corners. Now the most important is right here in the center, and keep it low. One here on this side. This other side here. And then one straight up. Just like that. It's basically making a triangle. I'm trying to make it facing you, so it's a little harder for me. I'm going to turn it my way, and then I'll turn it back to you. All I'm doing is filling it in lower than the highest one and not further out than the 2 on the sides. So there you go, I have all of the orange in there. Now I'm going to start with my yellow. And I'm just going to kind of fill it in. I'll turn it around after I get one in here. So there you go. And then all I'm going to do is clip my spiders on to make it kind of Halloweenish. All you do is open them up and let them grab in your flower. Put this one on this one so you can see it. And now you can see it a little better. Make sure you add water, and it should last you a good 2 weeks. Have a great day. Bye.